Only tool needed for this install is a Phillips screwdriver. Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today I'll show you how to install Spyder taillights on a 1999 to 2006 GMC Sierra. So first, let's open up the tailgate. Next, using your Phillips screwdriver, remove two screws holding the taillight. Have one here and here. Next, we're going to unseat the taillight by pulling it straight back. And then from here, disconnect all three bulb sockets by turning it counterclockwise. After that, we're going to disconnect the top two bulbs, which is your parking and brake, and your turn signal. Go ahead and bring over your Spyder taillight, turn it over to the back. Before we install these bulb sockets into the taillight, make sure your rubber gasket seal is intact to prevent any moisture. So go ahead and grab the top one, which is your parking and brake. Grab your top connector, which is the parking and brake. Install it into the bulb socket. Make sure the black wire matches up with the black wire, which is negative. Grab your turn signal connector, the middle one. Go ahead and plug it into the bulb socket. Now plug in all three bulb sockets into the tail light. Turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Carefully seat your tail light. Reinstall your two Phillips screws. Now that we're done installing the driver's side tail light, let's repeat the same process to the passenger side. Now that we're finished installing our Spyder taillights, let's close the tailgate and test all our taillight functions.